From fuel-efficient hybrids to sporty sedans, these cars offer a perfect mix of style, performance, and practicality. Whether you're looking for a reliable daily driver or a fun-to-drive compact, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in and see which cars made the list. Number 9. Nissan Versa. Affordable and efficient. The 2026 Nissan Versa remains one of the most affordable sedans on the market, appealing to buyers who want low ownership costs, solid fuel economy, and basic reliable transportation. It's simple but practical, delivering strong value for budget-focused drivers. Power comes from a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine with modest output, paired with a continuously variable transmission or rare manual option. It's not quick, but efficiency makes it well-suited for daily commuting. The price of the 2026 Nissan Versa starts at $19,000. Inside, the Versa offers a straightforward cabin with user-friendly tech, a roomy trunk, and decent comfort for the price. Standard safety features like automatic emergency braking and lane departure warning provide added peace of mind. Number 8. Toyota Corolla Hatchback. Sporty and practical. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Hatchback remains a sporty and practical hatchback, offering utility, reliability, and good fuel efficiency. It balances everyday usability with modern features, making it a strong choice in its class. It's powered by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, producing 169 horsepower, paired with a continuously variable transmission and front-wheel drive. Fuel economy is around 35 miles per gallon combined, giving a solid mix of performance and efficiency. The price of the 2026 Toyota Corolla Hatchback starts at $24,180 and goes up to $27,175, depending on the trim and options. Inside, the cabin seats 5 with an 8-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and higher trims add upgraded audio, sportier styling, and premium touches. Number 7. Nissan Sentra. Stylish and comfortable. The 2026 Nissan Sentra enters its 9th generation with a full redesign, blending sharper styling, modern tech, and everyday practicality. It stays maneuverable for city driving, while adding a more upscale feel inside and out. Power comes from a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, producing 149 horsepower, paired with a retuned, continuously variable transmission for smoother acceleration. Drive modes like Standard, Eco, and Sport give flexibility depending on conditions. The price of the 2026 Nissan Sentra is expected to start around $23,000 and go up to $28,000, depending on the trim and options. Inside, a new 12.3-inch touchscreen is standard, with higher trims adding a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and premium touches. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, while Nissan's driver assist features, including automatic emergency braking and lane keeping assist, come standard across all trims. Number 6. Toyota Prius. Hybrid efficiency perfected. The 2026 Toyota Prius continues to set the standard for compact hybrids, combining sleek styling, excellent fuel efficiency, and dependable performance. It remains one of the best choices for drivers focused on savings and modern tech. Power comes from a 2.0-liter four-cylinder paired with electric motors, producing 194 horsepower. A continuously variable transmission handles shifting, with front-wheel drive standard and all-wheel drive available. The price of the 2026 Toyota Prius starts at $28,550 and goes up to $36,760, depending on the trim and options. Inside, the cabin is tech-forward, with an 8.0-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a 7.0-inch driver display, while higher trims add soft-tech seating, wireless charging, and premium audio. Standard Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 ensures peace of mind. Number 5. Subaru Impreza, compact and capable. The 2026 Subaru Impreza stays true to its reputation as a practical compact hatchback, offering standard all-wheel drive, everyday usability, and a touch of sportiness. With its updated lineup, it remains a solid choice in the segment. Under the hood, the Sport trim uses a 2.0-liter flat-4 engine, making 152 horsepower, while the RS trim upgrades to a 2.5-liter flat-4, producing 180 horsepower. Both are paired with a continuously variable transmission featuring an 8-speed manual mode and paddle shifters. The price of the 2026 Subaru Impreza starts at $27,790 and goes up to $30,690, depending on the trim and options. Inside, the cabin is spacious and practical, with an 11.6-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, and available premium touches on RS trims. Standard driver assistance tech is included across all models. Number 4. Toyota Corolla, reliable and refined. The 2026 Toyota Corolla builds on its reputation for reliability with smarter updates, more tech, and added safety across all trims. Power comes from a 2.0-liter four-cylinder, making 169 horsepower, paired with a continuously variable transmission for smooth efficiency. Fuel economy is excellent at up to 41 miles per gallon highway. For buyers seeking even better efficiency, the Corolla Hybrid delivers 138 horsepower and offers optional all-wheel drive. The price of the 2026 Toyota Corolla starts at $23,920 and goes up to $30,135, depending on trim and options. Inside, the Corolla offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, upgraded digital gauge displays, and clean, modern styling. The hatchback version adds cargo versatility and a new FX edition with sporty touches. Number 3. Subaru WRX, sporty power with all-wheel drive grip. The 2026 Subaru WRX carries forward its rally-inspired DNA, blending aggressive styling, all-weather confidence, and modern tech. It's powered by a turbocharged 2.4-liter flat-4 with refined tuning, expected to deliver around 290 to 310 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque. Transmission choices include a 6-speed manual or an optional performance continuously variable transmission with paddle shifters, paired with Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive. The price of the 2026 Subaru WRX is expected to start at $39,000 and reach up to $49,000 depending on the trim. Inside, the WRX keeps its sporty personality with bolstered sport seats, contrast stitching, and a driver-focused cockpit. Higher trims add Recaro-style seating, a digital gauge cluster, and more premium tech features. Number 2. Mazda3 Sedan, elegant and fun to drive. The 2026 Mazda 3 continues to impress with its sleek design, sporty handling, and versatile choices in both sedan and hatchback forms. It remains one of the most fun-to-drive small cars in its class. The standard setup uses a 2.5-liter four-cylinder, producing 186 horsepower, while the available turbocharged version boosts output to 250 horsepower with strong torque. Front-wheel drive is standard, and all-wheel drive is available on select trims. The price of the 2026 Mazda 3 starts at $25,785 and goes up to $37,975, depending on the trim and options. Inside, it feels premium with high-quality materials, a clean driver-focused layout, and available upgrades like a larger display, premium audio, and leather seating. Number 1. Honda Civic, smart, stylish, and versatile. The 2026 Honda Civic enters a new generation with refined styling, improved efficiency, and the choice of gas or hybrid models. It's still one of the most versatile compact cars on the market. Base versions use a 2.0-liter four-cylinder, making 150 horsepower, while the hybrid system delivers up to 200 horsepower. Enthusiasts can go for the Civic Si, which offers a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine with 200 horsepower and a 6-speed manual. The price of the 2026 Honda Civic starts at $25,790 and goes up to $34,690, depending on trim and options. Inside, it blends modern simplicity with smart tech, offering wireless smartphone integration, upgraded displays, and practical cargo space. From practical city commuters to sporty performance sedans, these models have something for every driver. Which one would you choose for your driveway? Drop your pick in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews and top lists.